Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through how to create an event on Meta Business Suite. Head to business.facebook.com and log in. On the left-hand side, look for the Events tab with the calendar icon, click it. If you don't see it right away, click All Tools to expand the full menu and find it there. In the top right corner, you'll see a blue Create Event button. Click that. A pop-up appears asking you to select which Facebook page will host the event. Choose the page from the dropdown. Next, you'll be asked to choose the event type. Select either online event or in-person event, depending on what you're hosting. Now you're in the main event creation form. At the top, type your event name into the event name field. Just below that, you'll see the date and time selectors. Click on the start date calendar, pick your date, then use the drop-down to set the start time. Do the same for the end date and time. Next is the location or link field. If you chose in-person, start typing the full address and it'll auto-complete for you. If you chose online, paste in your Zoom link, Google Meet link, or select Facebook Live if you're streaming directly on the platform. Scroll down to the description field. Explain what the event's about, what people will get out of it, and who should come. Write a few short paragraphs or use bullet points so it's easy to scan. You'll see an option to add a cover, photo, or video. Click to upload your image. The recommended size is 1920 by 1005 pixels. Below that, there's a category dropdown. Pick the one that best fits your event: music, food and drink, business, whatever applies. If you're selling tickets, scroll down to the tickets field and paste in the URL from your ticketing platform like Eventbrite or Shopify. At the bottom of the form, you'll see additional settings. You can configure things like adding co-hosts, setting whether guests can invite friends, or making it a recurring event. Once everything looks good, click the Create Event button at the bottom right. You'll be taken to your new event page. Here are 3 things to do right after publishing. First, your event won't automatically post to your page's feed, so create an announcement post and share the event link directly. Second, Facebook lets you directly invite a selection of your followers shortly after publishing. Use this to get your first RSVPs. Third, consider boosting the event with paid promotion using the Boost Event button on the event page to reach a wider audience.